What's up, everybody? This is Colin Dijs from Deberoo, and today we have another question coming in from, let me just pronounce your name correctly the way I think it should be done, Major. Let's just call you Major. Can I promote sweepstake offers on Bing ads and Google ads? And that's a very interesting question, a question I see a lot. So let's dive in. But before we get to the actual content, I just want to let you know that the Deberoo Suite beta is open, which means you can get free access to a landing page builder, tracker, spy tool, cash flow manager, all while this new platform I'm developing for affiliate marketers is in beta. So if you're interested in giving this a test drive, see what I've created, go to www.deberoo.com/beta or check the description down below. Enough of that, let's dive in, because this is actually a very good question, a very simple question to answer. Can I promote sweepstake offers on Bing ads and Google ads? So I would say search, right? Can you promote sweepstake offers on search? And yes, you can. However, is it a wise choice? I don't think so. And let me tell you why. Basically, what you would do is promote low payout offers at a high cost traffic source, right? Bing, obviously, a lot less than Google. That's number one. So cost efficiency is definitely not there. It will cost you, just looking at the numbers, right? So let's say, let's do crazy, right? You have a $2 payout, 10% click-through rate on the ad, 50% click-through rate on the lender, and then a 10% conversion, which means 20, 10. Yeah, you would have to be under 25 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents to even make some good money, right? On a cost per click. Cost per click on that kind of platform would be very unrealistic to get for 10 cents. However, that is not the big thing, because we can always work out the money thing, right? The money thing, payout, earnings per click wise, cost per click wise, when you look at the numbers, you can already tell with a cost per mil, looking at what these search engines offer based on the CPM. If you see a CPM of $10 against a payout of $2, it is very unlikely it will work well, right? Unless you have a crazy, unique, never before seen, high converting offer, it is not going to work. Cost, number one. Number two, which I think is definitely way more important, is the thought pattern of the user exploring this traffic source, right? So what is the user doing specifically on this traffic source? They're browsing, right? They're searching for stuff. That's why it's called search traffic. They're searching stuff. They type in keywords, whatever they're looking for, and the machines, they pop out all the information available on that topic. I doubt people will type in, how can I win a free iPhone? Or how do I win a trip to Bali? How do I win a Range Rover S3 limited edition 2019, 2020, right? It doesn't make sense that much. People would definitely search for how to get a loan for this, how to do this. So those offers, loan offers, are way more relative to search, but also have like a $35, $40 single opt-in payout. 12-page form submit though, but you get what I'm saying? So when you say, can I promote sweepstake offers on Bing ads and Google ads? When we talk about single opt-in, definitely not. Not a good idea. When we talk about double opt-in, still not, with like a $3, $4 payout, still not in the right range. When we go to pin submits, however, $10, especially pin submits which are trending in lower cost geos like South Africa, Zimbabwe, Kenya, definitely there is a big opportunity. There's not a lot of competition in the search engines on those countries, and there's a tremendous amount of traffic. So that could be an opportunity. However, there's definitely a big sweepstake opportunity in credit card trials, right? $30, $40 payouts in tier 1 gives you a good opportunity if you can find the right keywords, which is very important. And then in addition to that, are they allowed? So you have to find like a little tricky gray hat, black hat way to be able to promote those kind of offers on Google and or Bing. I don't know if it's allowed on Bing, but definitely not on Google. However, it's all about the pre-frame, right? How do you frame it to get people to opt into a credit card trial? All in all, I would say, is there a huge potential? Definitely not. Would I recommend it? Definitely no. Are there other traffic sources which are way more easy? Yes. So I would skip on promoting sweepstakes on search traffic, in my honest professional opinion. Major, I hope that helps. If you have a question which you'd like me to answer, drop it down in the comments below. I will take a little screenshot, or you can drop it in my Facebook group, link in the description. I will make a little screenshot for you just like this, and I will answer it right here if I think it's helpful for other people as well. Thank you so much for watching. Before I go, the Deberoo Suite platform beta is officially open. You can register through the link in the description below, www.deberoo.com/beta. If you would like to test drive my landing page builder, spy tool tracker, cashflow manager, all my tools included in this amazing platform, I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.